Good morning. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make me a template of my stringers here. And I bought some of that foam board, and I'm going to take and lay these out and just kind of get make sure I got my angle right here. And I'm thinking now that I bought two pieces. I actually thought out of that one piece I might be able to get, you know, I'm assuming whatever the stringer is on this side, it would be the exact same thing over here. So I'm thinking maybe out of one sheet I can get my bulkheads and one stringer. So that's my plan. That's what we're going to try to do today. And it's kind of overcast, but that's okay. That makes it a little cooler. And as you can hear the roosters crow, it's time to start working. So I'll keep you posted. Okay, here we go. Here's my first one that goes against that transom. I'm going to get to the top and use this square edge and line them up like this. And use the top. Okay, let me get another one. I was just gonna say, that's longer than 8 feet, but I see why. They've spliced it together right there. They tried to trick us on that one. This went like this. Like that. All right there. They had actually notched this here to form a keyway. My right key, because I won't remember what that is later. And I know what these big holes are. These are for the vents. It has those, the one at the on the low side of the fuel tank as it sets in there on the other side, and the high side here, so I would assume that's cross ventilation. That looks pretty straight. It's probably as straight as I can cut it. You know, when all else fails, wipe it on your clothes. Let's see if we got a mark. We got a mark. Alrighty. I'm going to cut this out. Probably use a utility knife. We'll see how that goes. And then we move these somewhere where they won't be in my way again. Even though I think these are going to be the same for both sides, I'm going to go ahead and label this one port, just in case I do have to make two. And this would be the inside. Okay. Okay, I'm ready now. You know, I thought it'd be cheaper to do this, and this foam is less than $10 a sheet. Marine grade plywood at $74 a sheet. I'm going to give up on the straight edge after that far. Wonder if this is like drywall where you can just break it. Guess not. All right. How's that for? For 1-inch foam, it's about $20 a sheet. So. That cut out fairly good. This out, not the key, but just the. This is the just the slot here. And I don't know why it was there for sure. What I was doing here is I was trying to make it the same as the manufacturer done it. You know, this might have been an oops, or it might be an air intake for where the fuel tank for cross ventilation. So if it's an oops, I put it back just because they did, and if it was ventilation, I did it for that reason too. So anyhow, let's see how she fits. Put the right side up to help. Darn, I'm getting too good for my own good. See how that looks? That looks darn good. See how the other one's got a bunch of different cutouts in it. I think I'll go ahead and get these boards and make me the other side here. And I got enough material, I'll probably just do all of them, and we'll set it up and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. You've seen how I did the first one, so I'm not going to bore you with every one that cut the same way. So okay, what I'm doing is I'm just trying to get my height off the floor. This way when I raise it up a ½ inch or so, it'll all be the same. Okay, here's a different angle. What you're looking at here is from the bow looking towards the stern, and you can see that I've got my stringers in. Now that one on the port side there is not straight. I mean, it's I just got them in there. I don't have them because those ones go all the way through, and these ones, all the bulkheads are tied off except this last one right here at the front. The only difference with this bulkhead in the front, I noticed on the manufacturer had actually used 8-foot pieces and then extended it by 2 inches. I'm thinking I'm not going to do that because I'm not putting the pan back in, so the pan doesn't have to reach that. And I don't know if that was just an oops at the factory or why they did that, but I'm going to start out from here and come forward. All right, there it is. Got my stringers and bulkheads made out of my foam, and well, I got the first 8 feet done, and then I'm going to move forward and let me see if I can zoom in a little, and then I just got to go from there forward, and I'm not going to put that liner back in there that was up there. I'm going to make my own because I want to change things. But there it is. Well, it's starting to look like a boat again.